Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a text campaign, and I'm also going to add a step and show you how to set up tracking. So to first set up tracking, you want to click on Tools and then Tracking. Then you want to come right here and type in a tracking name. So we're just going to call it SMS 1, SMS Leads 1. Then just click on Setup Tracking, and next you want to assign the tracking to whichever page you want to use. So I'm just going to go with the first one here, assign to tracking, and now I have the link. Next I'm going to go to bit.ly and use this to create a an, an account, actually a short URL. So just going to click create, paste the link there, and I'm going to actually customize this right here so it's just not random letters and words. I'm just going to call it SMS. Okay, so I have it as that. Now I'm going to copy this link, and I'm just going to save it in a notepad so that way I'll have it there. Okay, now I'm going to go back to SMS Lead Network and then click on text/phone broadcast, and I'm going to click on SMS broadcast. And this message is going to go to an entire contact group, and I'm going to select one of these lists right here. So I'm going to go with this one. Next, I'm just going to type in the message right here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my document here. I'm going to edit in the document, the notepad that I have. And here's a previous campaign link, so I'm going to delete that out. And then I'm going to copy this link. It actually works better if you don't include the HTTP or if you put www there, so I'm just going to only copy the bit.ly/SMS leads. And then I'm going to place it right where the other link was. Now I'm going to copy the message, paste it right in there, and hit space at the end so that way it calculates the characters left. And everything's in place here. Okay, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm actually going to use the dynamic information to insert the person's first name, and I'm going to put it right here in front. So I just copied it. Now I'm pasting it right in front. So it's actually going over a little, so I'm going to do something here where it says stop to end. I'm going to delete a space right there. It's a little close, but they still can understand what to do. So now that that's in place, I'm just going to save the message in my document here, and just going to click send messages, and it's going to start to go out. And once you are brought back to this page, you can now go over here on the left where it says text/phone broadcast, and then click on SMS queue, and you'll see actually all the messages that are in the queue right here. So as they start to go out, you will start to see the queue go down. So usually within a few minutes, that number will start to go lower and lower until they are all completed. So It also depends on how many numbers you have. So if you only have a small amount of numbers, it's going to take longer for these messages to go out in the queue. So just make sure you have enough numbers for the amount that you're trying to send, and it'll work correctly for you. And also, if you send, um, for example, the 2,000, you have to wait within 24 hours from when you're sending. So right now I just sent, and it's 8 o'clock at night, so I'm going to have to wait until tomorrow night at 8 o'clock to send again. So there it is. I just received my text letting me know that it's starting to get out there. So again, just make sure you have enough numbers, and everything will actually start to go out for you. And they will actually stay in the queue if you don't have enough numbers. So make sure you read the frequently asked questions to know how many numbers you need for how many messages you want to send out. So basically, if you're looking to send 1,000 per day, you want to have at least 5 numbers. If you want to do 2,000 a day, you want to have at least 10 numbers. So just make sure you're ordering enough numbers, and everything will work for you.